Elon Musk, the world's number one richest person in the world today, and probably the first trillionaire in the world. India has a population of 1.3 billion, out of which 50% are young people. Elon Musk, 49-year-old, possible billionaire in the coming days, talking about people going to Mars, colonizing Mars, invented or brought electric cars on the roads, radically transforming the world. Who should the Indian youth follow? Should the Indian youth follow the Hindutva mindset that leads the youth where, or someone like Elon Musk, or these entrepreneurs, the business people who made millions, billions, in fact, and impacting the society? 50% of the population being young people. I'm talking to the people who are running the organizations, who are influencing the young people towards this poisonous religious agitations, either it is Christianity or Islam or Hinduism. Anyone who is talking or influencing the minds of the young people, be careful, my friend. In what direction you are leading these young people? 50%, that is 50 crore plus young people in this country. If you place a bad model in front of them, the next generation is gone, unable to come out of the poverty. The question is that you should be asking, how many people still in India are going hungry and going to bed without eating? It's not about Ram Janmabhoomi or Ayodhya temple or mosque, masjid or church that we should be interested or concerned about. It should be about the money that is required. How many illiterates are there in country? These are the issues that our young people should be looking into. Every person who is running an organization trying to influence young people towards the religious activities, I would beg you, please destroy those models and put some good inspirational figures in front of our young people who they can influence towards a proper direction. People who have built businesses, employed millions of people, running successful industries. These are the examples that our young people should be looking into, not the age-old traditions, age-old beliefs that doesn't give food for any person. I hope you have brain to understand and change the direction that you're doing. Thank you for your time.